Hi, this is a short video about the most recent project. It is a 26-foot runabout, and due to the confined space, it's difficult to photograph the entire boat, but here's a couple snapshots of the existing work. And here is what the finished project will look like. The owner started the decking and restoration tasks and consequently decided to hire a pro to finish up the project. He started by moving the helm aft about 18 inches and modifying the shape of the deck. I have provided some surface development and helping fine-tune the shaping of the curves by making templates, along with additional sanding and fairing. Awlfair epoxy fairing putty is the pink material that you see towards the end. Then a teak or mahogany deck will be installed to finish up this portion. On the interior, under the foredeck area, it has been smooth, sanded, and epoxy fillets added to strengthen that area. Bilge areas are in the process of getting sanded and painted with all grip white paint. The hull is sanded and ready for primer, then sanded again and painted with navy blue all grip topside paint. The transom area will be varnished and clear coated to highlight this refined style. This classic Italian styling makes this boat definitely a head turner. It is designed similar to a boat designed and built in Italy by Riva, and this model is close to what is known as the Aquarama. Lots of work to be done. Gotta go. Make it a great day.